Hey there! Today we are diving into a common problem many Python developers face when trying to gracefully terminate a program using multiple threads. The challenge arises when you want to ensure all threads are properly handled and closed. The solution we'll explore involves utilizing Subprocess to execute commands that enable a smooth program shutdown. To tackle this issue, we first attempted an approach involving taskkill to terminate the program. However, we encountered difficulties which led us to refine our method. The solution lies in crafting a command that combines timeout with taskkill to effectively shut down the program. By adhering to the proper syntax and utilizing a single string for the command, we ensure that the termination process runs smoothly without any hiccups. In the provided code snippet, we utilize subprocess along with a specific command structure to initiate the shutdown process seamlessly. By running the command, we trigger a countdown before terminating the designated program. This structured approach not only simplifies the termination process, but also allows for efficient handling of multiple threads, ensuring a clean exit for the Python program. Continuing with our solution, we further exemplified the functionality by showcasing the output in the command window during the termination process. The execution of the command triggers a parallel countdown, ultimately leading to the termination of the specified program. This visual representation solidifies the effectiveness and reliability of the implemented solution, demonstrating a systematic approach to handling thread termination in Python programs. In conclusion, by leveraging Subprocess and a meticulously crafted command structure, we successfully address the challenge of terminating a Python program with multiple threads. This efficient solution ensures a smooth and controlled shutdown process, allowing developers to manage threads effectively. Remember, when it comes to handling threads in Python, a structured approach is key to ensuring a seamless exit strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a witty comment below.